Hi dancer! Welcome back to BachaTUyYO, a place where we take care of your bachata soul. Today's warm-up drill is about one-step footwork. So we will do rompo, we will do lateral basics, and we will do one-step backward basics. Everything to coordinate your energy pushing off the ground and resonating that energy in your rib cage. Okay? So if you're ready, let's get going. Start in place with tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Give me two culitos. And culito slow. One more time, slow to the right. Good. Basic, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more basic. 1, 2, 3. Give me rompo with the left foot. 1 to the right foot. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more basic. Good. Lateral step. Remember, one step to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. One more basic, and we will go one step backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basic. 1, 2, 3. In place, figure 8, sensual basic. 1, 2, 3. Basic. 1, 2, 3. One more basic. We will start combining soon again. Rompo. Let's go. Lateral. Basic. Rompo. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Basic. Give me a turn. Basic. Rompo. Go backwards. Rompo. Backwards. Rompo. Rompo. Backwards. Rompo. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Good. Lateral step. Basic in place. Good. Lateral step. 1, 2, 3. Good. Make your lateral with Majao. 1, 2, 3. 5. Again. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Good. Step tap. One more time. Sensual basic. Good. Figure 8, breathe. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Good. Lateral basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 8 lateral basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle lateral basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. And that's it for today's class. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video or on the dance floor. Take care of your body, of your bachata, and of your soul. Goodbye, dancer.